In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bollinger Bands Indicator. Well, don't be scared if it's the first time you hear about this indicator, that's totally fine. I'll walk you through how to set up this indicator on your platform and what it consists of. Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. Guys, we will not only rely on the indicator, of course we are going to use strategy based on technical analysis. We will take into account market trends, support and resistance levels, candlesticks patterns and other key market signals. We'll put this approach into action and I will start with quite small deposit, which is $30. My plan for today to make $9,000. So guys, stick around till the end, you will figure out was I able to reach this amount or not. And guys, who knows, maybe you will find this trading strategy very useful for you and you will work on it and of course you will get the profit. So guys, let's get started. So first, let's connect the indicator we need. To do this, I click on the Tools tab at the bottom of the screen on the left, select the indicator we need and change its settings to work with it more effectively. We also increase the thickness of the slide and change the color for some of them for a better display. And so we see that this indicator has appeared on the chart and it represents a price channel with an upper boundary of green, a mid-sliding yellow, and a lower boundary of red. When I see that our price touched the upper limit of the indicator, then the price pulls back down and shows a good decline. That is, in such a situation, I can open a deal to go down. As you can see, this signal worked perfectly both times, and the price made a good downward rebound from the upper limit of the indicator, and vice versa. When the price touches the lower limit of the indicator, we see that then the price makes an upward pullback. And in such situation, after such touch, I could open a deal to go up. This indicator also gives other signals. For example, you can open a deal to break through the price moving average from the bottom up. At the same time, we see that the price is moving in the upper zone of the price channel. At the moving average is the support level here. I can see a breakdown of the moving average from top to bottom is here, for example. As you can see here, the price having broken through the moving average from top to bottom began to move in the lower zone of the price channel, and the moving average here acts as a resistance level. That is, on such breakdown of the moving average price, it was possible to open a deal to go down. Also, if we will consider the situation with consolidation when the price doesn't move significantly as here, we can see that the price channel has become much narrower, and at the same time, as you can see, the indicator gives us a lot of false signals. That is, the price often touches the upper or lower boundaries, or often crosses the moving averages. That is, we see that in such situation it is difficult to choose a good entry point. Therefore, I suggest avoiding such situations and looking for more impulsive price movements and more explicit indicator signals. Well, these are the main things we need to know for our today's trading session. And let's finally start and we'll find the first entry point, guys. So as you can see here, the price went up with an impulse and touched the upper limit of the indicator, so we will open a deal to go up. Because in general, we see that the price is moving quite impulsively here. And as a rule, the price bounced down from the upper limit of the indicator and then also shows good growth from the lower limit. Now we see that our price has shown an impulsive growth, and it was in this zone that the price made a reversal earlier and showed a strong decline. Therefore, it's quite possible that we will see such price movement in the near future. We will try to make money on such price reduction here. And I hope that 2 minutes in this situation will be quite enough for us, guys. And let's just watch the chart and wait for the end of our deal. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good decline. Thus, we are making a steady profit here. Also, 2 minutes was just perfect for us. Well, then not a bad start. Let's continue and find the next entry point, guys. As you can see here, we have a support level at the bottom. At the moment, the price is approaching this level, and we have a breakdown of the moving average indicator. Therefore, we are opening a deal to go down because we also see that here we have a tightening of the support level and the main price highs are getting lower. Also, as you can see, the price has already tried to break through this level, and after the upward bounce, it shows a decline again. And now it is already going beyond the support level. All these points indicated to us that the price has a good potential to go down, and the price is more likely to move down in the near future. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and it showed a good decrease. Thus, this transaction brought us a profit here, and as you can see, the indicator didn't let us down. It suggests us a really good entry point. Well, my dear traders, let's continue and we'll find another situation on the market. So, as you can see further, after consolidation, our price continued to move down and went below the moving average of the indicator. Therefore, I suggest to open a deal here for 2 minutes to go down, as I think that the price will continue to move down, since we see that after breaking through the level, the price moves significantly in the lower zone of the price channel. And the moving average is the resistance level here, and we already have red candlesticks forming on the chart. All these points indicate that the price has good potential for going down, and let's just watch the chart and wait for the end of our deal, guys. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. It's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showed a slight decrease and our deal closed below the entry point. Guys, I got the profit here, and I think we just continue and find an association on the market. Alright, as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and at the moment it touches the lower border of the indicator. Here I suggest opening a deal to go up, as I think that the price will bounce up and will show a growth. Because we see that the price has been moving downwards for a long time, mainly with red candles and without making any upward pullbacks as such. We can already see green candlesticks on the chart now. And it is quite possible that such an upward pullback will happen in the near future. Guys, we will try to make money on it, and let's wait for the result. Great, guys! As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good growth. Thus, this transaction brought us a steady profit, and as you can see, the indicator turned out to be right in the situation and hinted us to reverse the price in time. Thus, we already have $376 on deposit. In other words, I have already been able to increase our initial amount by more than 10 times. This is a great result. As you can see, this indicator works just fine, and I suggest we continue, guys. So, as you can see, the price is currently showing a decrease and touching the lower limit of the indicator. That's why we will open a deal to go up here. As you can see, after a strong decline, the price made a reversal and showed a good growth. Even now, the new price minimum is much higher than the previous one. That is, all these points make it clear to us that the price has a good potential for growth. And I think that in the near future the price will still move up, and I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us in this situation. And let's wait for the result, guys. So guys, as you can see, the price is showing growth and our deal is closing with a profit. In other words, we see that the indicator was right again and suggested us a really good entry point, and also 2 minutes here was totally enough for us. Well, my dear traders, let's continue and consider another situation in the market. So as you can see here, the price shows an impulsive decline and touched the lower limit of the indicator. Therefore, we are opening a deal to go up because we see that the price has moved several times according to this scenario. That is, it showed a good upward rebound from the lower boundary. We have also opened a deal now after a strong drop in price. Therefore, it is more likely that the price will bounce up in the near future. We'll try to make money on it here, and let's see how a deal will close. So, great! As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and the momentum is moving up from the lower limit of the indicator. Thus, this transaction brought us a steady profit, guys. Let's continue. So, as you can see here, the price moving in an uptrend and moving upward with an impulse from the middle line of the indicator. Therefore, we are opening a deal to go up because we see that we have a good confident uptrend here. And also earlier, after a small consolidation, the price began to move up more impulsively. At the same time, it moves mainly in the upper zone of the price channel. That is, the middle line acts as a support level and holds the price well. All these points indicate that the price has good potential to increase, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the general uptrend. And let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Great! The price is moving according to our scenario and showed us a steady growth. And so this deal brought us a profit, guys. That is, we see that the indicator didn't let us down again and helped us to make money. Well, I suggest we continue and find the next entry point. So, as you can see here, we have an upward movement and the price touched the lower limit of the indicator, so we will open a deal to go up. Because I think that the price will bounce up. As you can see earlier, our price showed the good growth, and also after a strong decline, the price made a reversal and continued to move up. Okay, all this tells us that the price has a good potential to increase, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up in the general uptrend. And also here we took the time of 1 minute, taking into account that our price is moving quite impulsively, so that our position wouldn't be knocked out. We opened just such a short deal, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showing growth and our deal closed above the entry point. This is how we got the profit here. At the same time, 1 minute was just perfect for us in this situation. Meanwhile, we already have over $4,000 on deposit, guys. We are confidently approaching our trading goal. And I think that a couple of more deals will be able to reach it, so let's continue. As you can see here, we have a downtrend, and at the moment the price is pulling back to the top and touching the upper limit of the indicator. That's why we will open a deal to lower the price, as we see that the main price highs on the chart are getting lower, and the price moves downwards more impulsively and mainly with red candlesticks. Also, there is still enough room from our entry point to the lower price. Because I have opened a deal on the price roll back up, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down, the general downtrend. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, our price got into a small consolidation zone, but then it made a downward impulse, and our deal closed below the entry point. I was able to earn money here. Now let's continue and look for another trading situation for today. Okay, guys, as you can see, after bouncing up from the support level, the price made a reversal and the moving average of the indicator crossed. Therefore, here we'll open a deal to go down since this level previously held the price well, and as a rule, the price rebounded upwards. But now it's already went beyond it, and also earlier the price made a strong downward impulse, and after a slight attenuation near the support level, it continued to move down. All these points indicate that the price has a good potential to go down, and I think that in the near future we will see a full breakdown of the marked level. And I hope that 2 minutes in this case will be totally enough. So my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, the price continued to move down. I got steady profit. Also, 2 minutes was just perfect for us in this situation. Thus, we already have more than $9,000 on deposit. Guys, with that, this is the end of our trading session. In this video, we used Bollinger Bands Indicator in combination with technical analysis, and you can see such approach works really well. Also, you know how to turn on this indicator, what it consists of, how to work with it. So guys, don't forget to try it on your own because your experience is really important here. I can show you strategies and tips, but I will not be able to trade instead of you. Guys, I also have exclusive community where I share my trading signals. These are totally for free, so if you want to get them, super easy, just text me code or signal. All the essential links will be down below. Also guys, I hope that you already subscribed to this channel. If not, please do that right now. Also turn on notifications so you don't miss my new strategies. Guys, I wish you to have successful trading sessions. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!